Welcome to this step-by-step guide on availing Web-VPN facility for eOffice purposes issued by the Information Technology Department, Government of NCT of Delhi. So in your browser, enter the URL eforms.nic.in and click on the login button. Next, you select login with Parichay SSO option. Enter your government email ID and password. Next, enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Once you enter OTP, click on Next. Now in the left-hand panel, we need to click on VPN service. So in the VPN details form, select the type as new request. Choose the coordinator, NIC coordinator as is. Now we need to enter the details specific to eOffice. So for the IP of the eOffice, first we need to enter the IP of for eOffice. Next we need to enter the URL for eOffice, that is delgov.eoffice.gov.in. In the destination port, select as for HTTP and HTTPS. In the remarks, you may enter for eOffice access. Enter the captcha. And click on preview and submit. In the checkbox, click on I agree to terms and conditions and click on submit. You may note that the request will be forwarded to your reporting officer. Now click on yes to proceed. Now we need to click on continue to proceed. Now you may note that the request has been submitted and this registration number is generated for further tracking the request. We may close this now. Now you can see that this is the request that I submitted just now. We can click on actions and click on track. We may note that the request is forwarded to the reporting officer. Once it is approved, it will be forwarded to the NIC coordinator that we selected and then the admin team for approval. So once the request is approved, user will log in to the Web-VPN facility saccess.nic.in and enter your complete credentials, government email ID and the password for Parichay. Click on sign in. Now click on send OTP. Enter the OTP you received on your registered mobile number. Click on sign in. Now you are able to see eOffice Delgov. Click on that.